Svekon, or Svensk Konstruktionstjänst, announced recently that it had signed a strategic contract with MBDA for the development of a new ground-based air defense concept with capabilities tailored for the Nordic region. The conceptual image that came with the press release shows the potential future weapon based on a CV90 hull. It's far from certain that this will be the case, but it was enough to pique our interest and look further into this news. First off, since this news concerns something that is yet to exist, we only have this one image, captioned as a quote, "notional design shown for illustrative purposes." As such, the visuals of this video will be other relevant air defense systems. But with that out of the way, the agreement between Svekon and MBDA marks an important milestone for both companies and reflects the growing demand for advanced, resilient and interoperable air defense systems in Northern Europe. As noted in the press release, the collaboration will focus on strengthening regional defense capabilities while leveraging Swedish engineering excellence and MBDA's extensive expertise in missile systems and integrated air defense solutions. Martin Frisk, Deputy CEO Svekon, was quoted as saying, "This is a very proud moment for Svekon and for the Swedish defense industry as a whole. Partnering with MBDA on such an important capability reinforces our role as a trusted contributor to future air defense systems in the Nordic region." Peter Bäckström, Director of Export in the Nordic region with MBDA, said that his company is known for supporting a robust supplier base and willingness to collaborate with partners in Sweden and Europe. He then added, "Cooperation is part of our DNA, and we are delighted to welcome SME Svekon, a highly skilled, experienced and dedicated engineering company with its roots in Sweden that will support our ambitions to develop an Arctic launcher for CAMM/CAMM-ER." And so, if we were to go from the statements and notional design alone, an air defense system offered by Svekon and MBDA could see a CAMM launcher mounted to a CV90. CAMM, which stands for Common Anti-Air Modular Missile, is MBDA's next-generation air defense missile designed for land, sea and air environments. It's said to incorporate advanced technologies to provide complete protection against all known and projected air targets. CAMM munitions are marketed as offering land-based forces a highly effective and easily deployable local area air defense system, capable of operating as either a standalone unit or integrated within a battlespace network. The use of third-party target information from the wider battlespace network allows the system to engage targets that are non-line of sight from the local launcher or sensors, while a lightweight and compact design allows multiple missiles to be carried by conventional wheeled vehicles, or tracked in the case of this illustration. If the launcher is for CAMM and/or CAMM-ER, then these are the specifications for each missile. For CAMM, each missile weighs 99 kilograms and is 3.2 meters in length with a diameter of 166 millimeters. CAMM-ER munitions weigh 160 kilograms and are 4.2 meters long with a diameter of 190 millimeters. The CAMM's range exceeds 25 kilometers, while the ER's range is over 45 kilometers. Sweden is definitely no stranger to MBDA and CAMM. It signed a contract with MBDA to procure CAMM for the Navy's 5 Visby-class corvettes. Going further back, there's the MBDA-led Meteor missile program, where Sweden is a strategic and valued partner nation. Sweden's Saab is also a member of the joint partnership with MBDA on the Taurus cruise missile, as well as cooperation with Sweden on the Acheron MP system. Sweden has done quite a lot with its CV90s, and so having this sort of thing on the tracked platform wouldn't be a surprise either. Sweden has its Granatkaster Panzerbandwagen 90, its CV90-based 120mm mortar launcher, also known as the Mjolnir. For existing CV90 air defense, Sweden also has the Luftvärnskanonvagn 90, designed to protect mechanized infantry using a Bofors 40mm autocannon. The platform can fire programmable 3P ammunition, allowing for the interception of drones, helicopters, and low-flying aircraft. So, what do you think of a mobile CAMM launcher partially developed by Sweden for use in the Nordics? Let us know by leaving a comment.